Hey guys, check out this really nice polymer clay set. This clay set comes with 50 different colors of clay, so it gives you a wide variety to make so many different things and let your kids' imaginations go wild. It also comes with these really nice tools to help you with whatever creation you want to make. I like here it has a little scraper so you can go ahead and lightly scrape it off of whatever flat surface you are making it on so you don't have to worry about ruining your creation. It has a nice little silicone mold here, so if you're making like jewelry or something like that, it has some cute little sea creatures you can go ahead and use, a seahorse, a fish, I see a little crab. It also comes with this pack of different rings, hair clips, earrings, necklaces, and keychains that you can go ahead and make. It's wonderful to make for gifts, for birthday or Christmas. My kids love doing that. I love this book that it comes with because it has a bunch of different creative ideas in here, so you can go ahead and look at one of those and see what you want to make and give it a go. It also tells you on the inside how to go ahead and dry your clay. You can use the oven, or you can use a blow dryer, or you can go ahead and boil it. And that just hardens the clay. This clay is really nice because whenever it does dry, it doesn't crack, so you know your project's gonna stay perfect. So my kids love making creations with this. They love making earrings and rings, necklaces, and keychains. It's just so much fun, and there's so many different colors that you can choose from, so their imaginations just go wild. It's really nice to help develop those fine motor skills, and they love giving these away as gifts, especially to their grandparents. I love the container. When you're all done and you're ready to clean up, everything can fit really nice inside of the containers. So you can go ahead and put it all in, and then they actually stack right on top of each other. You can put the lid right on top, snap them up, and you're good to go for next time. So if you're looking for a really fun activity to do with your kids, this polymer clay set is a great option. Thanks for watching.